Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a tab-style menu in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your navigation look more modern and visually connected to your header, giving visitors a clear sense of which page they're currently viewing. Let's start by heading over to your browser and typing in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. From here, simply click on the website where you want to create this tab-style menu. This will take you into the editing interface for that specific site. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Website. Under that option, you'll see several choices, so go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you manage all the structural elements of your site. Now, still on that left side menu, look for an option called Custom Code and click on it. Under Custom Code, you'll find Custom CSS. Click on that to open the CSS editor. This is where we'll be adding the code that transforms your regular menu into a tab-style navigation. I'm going to paste the code here, so feel free to pause the video if you need time to copy it or adjust anything. Let me walk you through what each part of this code does so you understand how it works. The first line of code targets the currently active menu item, which is the page you're on. It sets a light gray background behind it. The reason this is used is to help users see which page they're currently viewing. It makes the menu feel like tabs instead of just simple links, creating that visual distinction that's really helpful for navigation. The second line of code uses padding-top:6 rem, which pushes the content down inside the menu item. Then it uses margin-top:6 rem, which pulls the entire menu item upward. The combination of these two properties makes the tab appear to connect directly to the header. This creates the illusion that menu items are attached to the header bar, which is a common trick for achieving that tab-style navigation. However, it's important to note that this can sometimes break layouts on mobile or with small headers. The exclamation mark important in the code forces Squarespace not to override these settings. Then we have the last set of code, which removes default gradients, underlines, or hover effects that Squarespace applies. It changes the background color when hovering over a menu item and forces the link text to be black and fully visible with no fading. It also keeps the active tab's background the same even when it's being hovered over, maintaining that consistent look. You can customize this code to suit your website's design. Feel free to add or edit more custom CSS for your tab-style menu to match your brand colors or adjust spacing. Once you're done making your changes, click Save and your new tab-style menu will be live on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.